Crude oil daily forecast, April 11th, fxempire.com. The light sweet crude market, as you can see, initially fell. It had a bit of a rough opening on Wednesday, but we found enough support at 93.50 in order to bounce and form a hammer. This hammer, of course, looks interesting because of a couple different things. Not only its shape and the fact that we are continuing to bounce, but it is right at the area that we had suggested over the last couple of days that could be resistive. In other words, the 94.50 area. It looks like we're building pressure to break out. We do think that breakout happens. On a move above 94.50, we think that it clears the way to 96 in relative short order. Question is can we go higher from there? We think 98 is probably about as high as we go because we still are somewhat convinced that we're trying to form some type of range for the warmer months, perhaps between 92 and 98. Now, having said all of that, those of you that have been following the longer term videos, you know that there is and I'll have to do it off the screen here, but there is a symmetrical triangle that's forming on the longer term charts. And as a result, we think that we could get an explosive move, or we could just drift through the side. Drifting through the side, through the end of the triangle, would be indicative of a market that's just simply going to kind of meander around. And that sounds like oil in the summer, quite frankly. However, if we get a breakout of the triangle, it should be a significant move, and it's one that will be obvious. Trust us, you'll know it when you see it because a lot of momentum will be swung in one direction. Looking at the Brent market, you can see that we did fall during the session, but quite frankly, uh, we really didn't fall too far, and we did bounce enough to get up to the 105.86 level as time recording, which is just a few minutes before they ring the bells. 106.50 looks like resistance, and although it looks like it's building up pressure like the light sweet crude market is, we're actually looking to sell this market at higher levels. We see quite a bit of resistance all the way to the 111 area, and as a result, we do think that selling this market from a higher level is more than likely going to be the best play. And also, it could build up enough momentum to smash through the 103 level, which would lead to a significant technical breakdown.